Hi, my name is Jimmy Lick from Joy Riders TV Productions, and today we're going to learn how to adjust the transparency in Photoshop. First thing you want to do is bring in any old image that you want. Bring in one of my stock photos here. I'm going to duplicate it just to show you guys, how it actually affects it. I will actually render clouds just to make it completely different. And now when you adjust the transparency, all you have to do is go up to opacity and find where your arrows and your hand come into play, and you can just pull on that to adjust it. So I'm adjusting it down to about 30%. Kind of makes a cool effect on top of my leaf. If you bring it back up, the clouds come back in. And that's pretty much how you adjust the transparency. I am Jimmy Lick from Joy Riders TV Productions. Thank you for watching.